Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In yesterday's video, I outlined a scenario where Bitcoin might first sweep the unhealthy long liquidation box at 107K before continuing higher toward the former all-time high of 112K and beyond as if the blue horizontal line failed to hold. But that's not what happened. Instead, price respected the blue horizontal, regained footing, and launched into a complete recovery move. We saw a clean retest of the dotted yellow line at 108.3K, then two consecutive rejections at 108.9K. After those rejections, the price dipped back to our last safe point, the 108.3K level, only to spring right back above and challenge the 108.9K resistance again. As I'm recording this video, the price is still consolidating just below that level. The part that surprised me was this. Why didn't we sweep the obvious 107K liquidity? I went back and reviewed the data. On the 3-day liquidation heat map, the hottest cluster was right at 107K. Same thing on the 1-week heat map. So far, so expected. But switching to the 2-week heat map and beyond tells a different story. Suddenly, the attention shifts upward. A new short liquidation cluster has formed at around 111.1K. It began heating up at the end of June, intensified last week, and now holds over $808 million in leveraged shorts. That is a huge magnet for price, and it honestly caught me off guard. While there is still a chance that we wick down to 107K to liquidate the late long entries from the past few days, it's becoming increasingly obvious that the bigger target for the market is to sweep those massive shorts sitting higher. Now, looking at the wave trend indicator, all major timeframes are flipping bullish again. That raises the question, is this recent push-up simply a trap to bait more over-leveraged longs before one final sweep down to 107K? Or is this truly the start of a real breakout towards new all-time highs? My long positions from 108K and 108.3K are in profit right now, but I'm being cautious. I do not fully trust this latest move up, not just yet. In the meantime, corporate adoption continues to roll in. Semler Scientific just bought 187 BTC for $20 million, increasing its total holdings to 4,636 BTC. The Smarter Web company hit 1,000 BTC after a $24 million purchase, and Japanese firm Metaplanet added 2,205 BTC, bringing its total stash to 15,840 Bitcoin worth over $1.68 billion. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.